Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to remove cell media or any other liquid from a plate. For that we will need our platinum needle and we will need a tube containing the cell media or the liquid that you want to add to your cells or plate. So our workspace is already clean. You do not need to clean the plate with ethanol. However, you do need to clean the tube with ethanol before introducing it in the laminar flow cabinet. I've already done that. If we think about the OOPS rules, organization, we know we will aspirate with this platinum needle, but then we'll need to add our cell media from this tube. So I loosen the cap already, so the bottle is ready for me to use in a bit. Then I grab the platinum needle, I turn the flame on, and I hold it on top of the flame until it's glowing. Once it's glowing, I wait 15 to 20 seconds until the needle has cooled down enough. The reason you need to wait for it to cool down is because if you put it directly in there, two things will happen. One, your cells will boil alive, and two, because of the temperature difference, the liquid will actually just explode. It will splatter everywhere and there will be a big mess. So we want to avoid that, and that's why we wait for the needle to cool down. Well, then we have our plate. The lid, you can put it on the side, but what I like to do to keep it a little bit more sterile is I just put it on the palm of my hand. With my fingers I grab the plate and then I tilt it 30 degrees. So tilt the plate 30 degrees so all the liquid gathers at the bottom, and then slowly put the needle in there and aspirate all the liquid. Then we put the needle down, and do not sterilize the needle now. Do not put it on the flame. The reason for that is because actually you have cells and proteins in there, and because of the heat they will start aggregating, and then you might block actually the tubing. So we don't want to do that. Right now our cells have nothing in there. They're drying up, and that means that they are dying. So try to work a little bit quick. Grab a sterile gel pipette. Then we put the plate a little bit on the back. Pull this towards me. I aspirate the amount that I want to aspirate. Push it towards the back. Pull this towards me. And then the way to put the medium in the cell, in the plate, is not by just pushing it with full force at the center of the plate, but by doing it at the side of the plate and then slowly. The reason not to do it in the center of the cell of the plate with full force is because that way you will be making cells loose from the bottom of the plate, and you might actually be damaging them, but also you might be activating some cells because of the mechanical stress. So we put the plate back on, throw the pipette in the blue bin, and that's it. That's the appropriate way to remove and add media to our plate.